So yeah, today isn't loud in here, so I can actually record. So yeah, got my tripod here set up. We'll probably do a little shoot right now, show you guys. Maybe I'm gonna try my slow motion like setting on the iPhone or whatever. Oh yeah, once again, I'm doing this all from my iPhone, so I don't know, it works pretty good. I don't see the need to spend $500 right now on some pro camera, or a Canon or Nikon or whatever, but I did have one and I sold it back in the day, so I might actually go buy one. Here's my tripod. Yeah, you guys can pick one of these tripods up on Amazon. I think that one was 25 bucks, and this handheld one that you could wrap around stuff, I think was like, I don't know, I think it was like 25 or 20. I'm not sure. Also brought a remote, like a Bluetooth one. You could record like on the fly. So yeah, what I do, I'm lazy. I'm supposed to take off this adapter right here and throw it on here, but I just fucking throw this on here and put my phone on there. So yeah, here's this. I bought this back in like November last year, and I still haven't used it, but I charged it today and I think I'm gonna end up using it. So here we go. I actually forgot to paint this one. So there's 2 millimeters. Bring this over here. 2 10 millimeters. I gotta go in. Bring this over here. Alright, so there's one here, one here, one here, and this bracket goes like that. So, hold on, I know I'm missing something. Oh, the front support here that goes across. That's missing. I gotta put that in before I put this shit in. Alright, let me go get that. I'll remind you guys, when you take your car apart, whenever you're doing anything like that, try and leave the bolts right where you find them. So I left these here, and I didn't do it all the time, and that's why I had issues fucking finding shit later on. But this should go here. So I'm gonna cut that. Hopefully me cutting the rest of the bolt off, like what's left there, will give me enough room. That's my overflow. So I put that right there on the side. Looks pretty clean. Still haven't finished that there, but yeah, I'm gonna cut that and we'll go from there. Alright, so got it fucking on there. So basically I got the bracket on the light first, and then fucking this has got to sit, if you can see it, these two, right? So the bracket and the light got to sit on the outside. See that? Sit on the outside, and then fucking shit goes right in. Then that there needs to slide in there, and you also have 2 other spots there and there. I gotta slide in. That bolts into there. Another one here. Bunch of wax in there. I think that's it. So yeah, finally. I remember when I remember when these used to be cool. These password JDM ones. I mean, they still are cool, but yeah, I used to buy these like cheap little stupid mods, but yeah, man, I thought I was a shit with these. Alright, so got this one wired up. Actually took the plastic off this one, and I was hoping this wire, this one here, that goes to the other headlights, and I think it also does the radiator, like the cooling time thing. What else does it do? I think it does ABS, but that I don't have that wired up, so yeah, I think that's all it does. Oh, the wheel sensors. There's a sensor near the wheel. I think it's the speed sensor. It does that. And then what else does it do? The horn. That was it. But whatever. So I'm just gonna, for now, I think I'm just gonna leave it there. I kind of think I want to reroute all this underneath and maybe go down through there and bring it up that way. But yeah, that would require me to like take all this apart that I did, and yeah, I don't know if it's worth it, but anyways, I'll dress this up real nice, you know, tuck these wires in like this, cover this up, so I'll have all these coming up like that, and that one coming up, that. It'll look alright. So got to do this side and then test these lights and make sure everything works. This one I couldn't get in. I'm gonna have to extend this wire right here, so that's not gonna reach where it's supposed to go, so I'm gonna have to do that one, or I'm gonna have to do that one. Alright, so we got the headlights in. Everything's pretty much wired up. All we need is to extend this one here and just make this all pretty back here. Should be good. On this side, just got to get more of this tubing, whatever that's called. Dress that up real nice. And then over here, got this all up there, whatever. So I might have to cut this a little more for my intake. Still waiting on that. And should be it. Probably just gotta cut it maybe around here. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, got this side done, that side done, and that's it, man. That's it for today.